Hello guys, you're welcome to class. Today's topic is changing mixed numbers to decimals. A mixed number is the combination of a whole number and a fraction, just as we have in this number one question. This 2 is a whole number and 4/5 is a fraction. Why decimal means point? Decimal means point. To make this fraction a decimal, the first thing we need to do is to split the whole number from the fraction. After splitting, all we need to do is this fraction we divide using either 10, 100 or 1000. That is, the denominator of the fraction, we have to make it either 10, 100 or 1000. And how can we go about this? We can achieve this by dividing either 10, 100 or 1000 by the denominator. So if you're able to divide with 10 with the denominator and it's not remaining, that means you pick 10. When you are dividing, you start with the smallest. If you can divide through 10, it's not remaining, you can pick 10. But if it's remaining, go to the next number. If these two remaining, go to the next number. But you make sure that your denominators are in either 10, 100 or 1000. And here I divided 10 by 5 and my answer is 2 without remaining. So what I will do here is this fraction that is here, I'll multiply the numerator and the denominator by the answer that I've gotten, which is 2. And here I am, this 2 is there, the whole number. 4 times 2, 8, 5 times 2, 10. So this is 2 plus 8 over 10. Now I'll have to make this my 8 over 10, the fraction, the decimal. How do I do that? Since the denominator is 10 and 10 has 1 0, so I'll count the numerator from the back once and put my point at the front. Just like this. 1, I'll put my point. I counted once because the denominator here is 10. So my answer will now be 2 plus 0.8. The 0.8 I've gotten it. And my answer is 2.8. Now, to the second question, I do not need to change the denominator here because it's already in 100. It's already in 100. I told you if you want to change the denominator of a fraction, you change to either 10, 100 and 1000. And this is already in 100, so I do not need to change the denominator. What I will do is I'll split the whole number from the fraction first. After that, since this is already in 100 and 100 has 2 zeros, I have to count the numerator from the back 2 times. That is 2 zeros. Just like this. 1, 2, and put my point. And it is 18 plus 0.23. So my answer will be 18.23. And to the third question, I'll do the same. I'll first by splitting the whole number from the decimal, from the fraction. And after splitting, I have to make the denominator either 10, 100 or 1000. As you can see here, 10 cannot divide 125. 100 cannot divide 125 without remaining. So I have to pick the biggest number, which is 1000. So I have to divide 1000 by 125. And 1000 divided by 125 give 8 without remaining. So I'll multiply the numerator here by 8 and also the denominator by 8. And here we are. This is the whole number. The whole number here is here plus 119 times 8, 952. 125 times 8, 1000. So you have to make this a decimal. And 1000, since the denominator is 1000 and it has 3 zeros, I'll count the numerator 3 times. Just like this. 1, 2, 3, and put my point. And here we are, 6, this whole number plus 0.952, 0.952, and the answer is 6.952. Did you learn? If you have learned something new today, I want you to attempt the last question, and this is the last question. I want you to attempt the last question and write the answer in the comment section. Please stay connected for valuable content on this page. Please like, share, comment, and follow my page if you have not been following my page. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.